Mr. Cow. He's not in the... Stop now, stop. Napok Mr. Cow. Careful with Mr. Cow.
Don't tempt
He's
to
so
a
serious.
potato.
His legs back. Stop moving. Mr. Cow will not stop.
Mr. Cow.
Oh! Almost died!
Don't move. Don't let him move. If
Don't
you want
let-
him out,
No, not like
get
that.
him in the
We have to wipe. Wait, Oh my gosh, Mr. Cow. Without that, Mr. Cow would Mr. Cow would die.
No.
Wait.
Oh, I want to cover. But look,
Mr. Cow.
the tunnel.
Hey, where's the thingy?
Tunnel. What? Mr. Cow?
No.
The boat?
Wait, like this one, like we can keep like this na. You put like that. You prepare. Wait, you have to prepare.
It will drop.
No, not like that. Behind that.
Don't let Mr. Lex try to drop.
No,
but-
not drop, not like that. I know. This
No, his leg.
is no. Get the bandage. Just like his, just get like I don't know.
I'll
Nothing.
rebuild him.
Mr. Cow. You killed him. He has so much blood. Wait, this is the cow thing. Hospital.
Mr. Cow.
You just killed him.
Mr. Cow's helping.
Wait, excuse me.
Put bandage.
Mr. Cow's choking him.
No.
Mr. Cow. You evil Mr. Cow.
No. Mr. Cow will open his wings. Mr. Cow.
Like this, look. Like this. Look, you put
You
here.
wanna see Mr. Cow's ultra wings?
Yeah.
There.
Like it's look like this. You put this. Mr. Cow's helping. Get away, Mr. Cow. You're so rude. Now he's safe. No. Wait.
He's safe. Is this his wig?
No. A bandage.
It's
Like
fun,
this.
right?
Like this.
It's so fun.
Like this.
It's fun, right, Tati?
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Like this, look. Wait. Like this.
Oh.
And then put the injured one. I put not the injured one here.
Oh.
Hey, wait.
Wait.
No.
I know. Do you want another Mr. Cow?
No, Mr. Cow has killed this. This one's trying to go away. Wait. The sick.
I know the perfect plan.
Wait. 2 boats. 2?
Yes. Obviously.
No,
yes.
this is the small one. And
Put
there's the
him
big one,
here.
the one with the wig. First,
You said he doesn't have a wig.
I mean the one with the bandage. Like this, look. Wait. No,
Just
no,
say
we're
that
not in.
two boats. It will insta break.
Wait, stop.
Okay, go.
Like that.
To make the boat ready.
Now we have to get his wig.
Get his wig. Mr. Cow.
Careful with that, because it doesn't have a thing. Now he's land the board.
Do you remember Mr. Cow was once a frog, now he's a cow? I accidentally turned your frog to a cow. The fatty one.
And now this one. Land aboard. Prepare the waves.
Propel.
Strong waves. Like that. Strong.
Put it
Wait, go.
first. Put.
Don't you?
Go. One, wait. 1, 2,
Sides.
3. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Tsunami.
Ah, no! Mr. Frog! Popo.
Pipi ang pupo.
That's good. This is
I'm going to shower na, ha?
Okay.
That's pipi and with pupo. Ew. Pupo and pipi.
You can just keep
Ew.
recording.
Ah, okay.
Let's
I
just
like it.
make it like
It's
this now.
fun, right?
Yeah.
Because Mr. Cow can ride.
Science subject
Look,
will be so fun,
And I
ate.
had a face.
Yeah.
Mr. Cow can ride.
Yeah. What about this?
Let's watch that
Wait, no.
anime. That thing
Like
we
this,
watched
look.
before.
Done, ha? You pause it. You stop it, ate, ha?
Come
look.
So I max out my defense. That movie name. Do you wanna watch it? Oh no, Mr. Coco, don't his feet. No. His
This
feet.
one is already dead naman.
What about you just color him red?
Wait, where's the thing?
Don't like this.
Like this. No!
Let's dry.
Dry it.
Dry it up.
No, wait. This is Mama's place. No. Okay. Mama's place is supposed to be so clean. And the camera can see it. Mr. Cowcow's land now. This is Mr. Cowcow's land. Get all the frogs. No.
Okay.
Put the frogs here. In this towel. Not in this water. Like you already killed this one. It's dead. Here.
No, I did not kill that one. He just
Yes, I
jumped
just-
there.
yes, I just- Oh.
He jumped.
Yeah. Put here. You might kill the other ones. Run.
Get down there. Mr. Frog. No,
you
jump.
Put them like here again.
Mr. Jump.
No.
Mr. Jumpy Legs. Jump.
No, stop. They're saying goodbye now.
Goodbye.
And then the
Goodbye to Mr. Cow. Put him in the boat.
with his dear friend.
No,
Hey, where's this?
his dear friend will die.
No, it won't. It's just gonna be.
No, wait. No! Oh my gosh, I thought he's wet. I thought he's gonna get wet down there to the seas, to the ocean. No! Don't put him here anymore. Don't put. It's dangerous for him. His life is in danger.
His life could just be replaced.
No, don't put him there.
No!
It's dangerous. Don't put him in the oceans.
What happened to his legs?
Huh? Can I see? Mr.
This
Jumpy.
is the leader. Goodbye.
Look at my hands.
Look.
I'm Spider-Man.
Now this one.
Oceans. Look at your hands. You turned into a virus spider. Let's put.
No.
Let's put in 1, 2, 3, go. Ate! So cold! Feel!
The waves has turned OP. Hey, no. Stop. Careful.
So cold. even made a new sound.
Just do like this.
Oh,
So feel it. Just stay like that. Stay like that. Feels so nice.
so cold.
This one, the yellow part is covering the camera. Now we have to...
No,
The head! The head!
the head of what?
This frog.
Oh, I think that's the baby.
Yeah, that's the baby. He's going to a wild adventure.
No,
It killed Mr. Mr. Cow.
Those two cows killed him. So what? Oh
Cow?
my gosh.
Is it a cow? It's a frog.
No. Mama, wash hands, please. Yes, please. Okay.
This is very dangerous problem.
The VIP program is done.
No. It's still. The baby has to face the adventure.
Chuk.
Pew! No. It's gonna go to the water. Hey, what's...
Wait, I wanna color.
No! Come on, the baby will go on a wild adventure.
Oh! Hey, don't.
Mr. Kaka's in an adventure. He's trying to get it. You...
Hey, poo-poo!
We have to wipe it. But then he's just on the bottom.
He's still poopy. He's puppy.
Go, he's back.
Look, I got pink hands. I got. What happened to my hands?
Look.
Ah.
Jigga, go.
Go,
He's
fly.
on a wild adventure.
Look, I happy face.
No one
Happy!
saw the adventure.
Look at his face. Oh, his face broke.
And the wild adventure turned strong. And that's good. It's wonderful. You killed it.
No, Auntie.
Look at its hands. You
Why
want to
won't
kill that
we
one?
color this guy?
No.
This guy is a murderer. He
Why?
murdered somebody. That's why he has that that red thing.
You just killed him by its own.
Jump! Ah!
This won't even jump.
Wait a sec.
Superhero.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby?
I don't know.
Yeah! There's a baby.
Wait, give me.
The hey, no! Auntie, no! No, Auntie,
Wait.
no. Just no. No, I mean Mr. Cow.
No.
Please,
Mr.
Auntie.
Kaka has his R.I.P.
No,
He's a
Auntie.
R.I.P.
Auntie, ba, give me.
Okay, it's alive.
Don't
It's alive.
give me him.
It's alive. Look at it.
Auntie, Pow.
Wipe this. Wipe
Give me him. Give him. Don't put anybody to his stomach.
Okay.
Because he'll poop them out like that. Then kill them here. From the ocean.
It's a cow. It's safe. Yes, me. Cow. At least the boat is still there.
The boat needs to dry. The boat, you need to wipe the dang boating. There will be more water inside and it will kill it. Just put it on the, like that.
I thought this was paper.
Let it do
Let it go.
Let it go. Don't. Let it go. Wait. It didn't look
Wait,
like
Mr. Kauka and his family can go in there.
You almost hit him. Don't let Mr. Cow Cow go in the ginormous boat, Ati, ha? Because this guy will kill them and push them off, killing them as nothing. And this guy's gonna destroy the camera. This guy's gonna jump in this lelo thing.
Mama had a chat?
Oh, I miss! What
Come
about
on.
this guy? Don't let Mr. Cow Cow go in. Bro, you just move it and he died. Let's go. Don't let Mr. Cow Cow go in. Hey, he's done! And this one with Leonard.
Tree hopping family.
Go.
Tree hopping family.
Don't. No. Tai.
We have to wipe this so small.
Dale. Hey, Dale. No. Mama can't wipe it.
Wipe it.
Is all our hands like this forever? Is it? Let's go downstairs and wash our hands. Let's pause. Let's pause. Hello, we're back and we cleaned our hands, but it's still red.
Mine is so peach and his is so red.
Come on.
Team serve!
No! Oh my gosh.
It did not.
Don't wet him.
Wait.
Don't even do that. Wait, I think I'm gonna get bandage for him. Where is that? Where's bandage?
Cotton.
Where's a bandage?
Cotton.
Where's a cotton?
Cotton.
Well, bro. Oh my gosh.
You did. Wait. No.
You can make. Wait.
Ah. Berry pumpkins.
Can you get it? This is very peach.
Yours
The-
is red. Do you start?
Wash. Can we be done playing now?
I want to still play.
Stop, Oti! You're killing Mr. Cow.
I'm not killing Mr. Cow.
Look!
I
Don't.
did not even do anything to Mr. Cow.
He's gonna be safe. Where's the bandage? Where is it? Where is it, Ati?
Wait.
It's a bandage. I don't want Mr. Cow to die. I made it. We're fun with him.
Hello. Ah, you're still not done? Why?
Mr. Cow Cow.
Mr. Cow Cow, his wings are safe. He's a dragon. Look, Mama.
No, he's a cow.
No. But when his wings appear, wing. Let him stick to your face.
No.
Okay, what about your hands?
No.
Wait a sec. Let's put him in high ground then. Abby, this is how Mr. Cow Cow is made. Try to make a straw frog. Like in your picture, like when you got celebrated.
I don't know how to make that. Papa only make that. Not me.
I really don't want Mr. Cow Cow to die. I made him. dangerous for paper stuff.
Ate, the mom
they-
of Kuan ate
Then die.
help you.
Okay, sorry.
You will only need to Kuan say your experience in past tense Tagalog. Ha?
Okay, what helped you, the I?
The mom of Kit ba?
Yeah, what helped? What did you
About
help?
your Filipinos activity.
Just right now?
Oh yeah, na look at she chat.
What she said? What did she say?
That all you have to do is
Hey, Jacob.
what your experience in the park using past
Oh no,
tense
Ate.
in Tagalog, okay?
Okay.
Your name is the greatest.
Highest.
Your name is the highest. Your name
Stands above them all.
stands them all.
All thrones and positions. All power and positions. Your name stands above them all. You say like that, man. No, Mr. Frog.
Can I see? Can I see?
He's going to land the board with no paper.
Fall him to the water. Auntie, let me.
Wait.
Don't use your hands. Let me. Let
Wait.
me back.
Wait, I know something. Very
Auntie,
quick. It's just very quick. Just very
Just
quick. I'm just gonna-
let.
It's just so quick, like keep
Come on na.
Jika balik.
Okay then.
It's like a grabber ba?
Okay.
October 9.
1,000 generations falling down in worship, sing the song of ages to the Lamb.
Can I try?
Word.
Auntie, I never get to try. Okay, you want Mr. Frank to
No.
try? Then
Okay,
give me.
pause.
Give me.
Jika ba? I'm trying to get this.
The water.
Hello, oh turn it off please. Please. You turn off na? Ay Kap, turn off. It's already 30 minutes ate ay.
30 minutes? It's not that.
Come on, Auntie. Please.
Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna get shot by my dad? Do you wanna get shot? Do you? Do you
Okay,
wanna
Mama,
get
run.
shot?
Mama, Jika will shoot me.
Ay.
But you won't give a second shot. Bro, I was aiming for Auntie's chair, but I just ricocheted to Papa's computer.
What's ricochet?
Ricochet?
It will go
You
back.
mean like it will bounce?
So you
Yeah.
keep saying ricochet.
Like a boomerang, right?
Come on, Auntie.
Okay, I'm
Come
Mr.
on,
Frog,
because
you
I'm
lie.
going to work na.
Yeah, you can off that video.
Come on, Auntie.
Okay, I am almost.
Bye-bye, say ma. Bye.
Bye.